Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Construction progress as of December 2025. Today is 26th December 2025 and I want to take you through, you see what China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company has done so far. You can see from outside what has been done on these curtain walls. I want to show you the pending progress of Talanta Stadium, canopy and roof installation progress, and also curtain walls progress. You can see for yourself, one of shield flags has already been installed. Other phases of installation of this shield flag are going on, and you can see for yourself the massive progress that has been done by China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company as of December 2025. The inspiration of this shield comes from a island. It's going to give Talanta Stadium a unique identity and also a more beautiful appeal. The Talanta Stadium is going to host AFCON 2027. You can see how beautiful the stadium is. I hope you have seen the grand ceremony that was held at Morocco Stadium. That is what is going to happen here on Talanta Stadium come AFCON 2027. That's what is going to happen this stadium. You can see for yourself the massive progress. I want to take you inside. You see the pending progress as of December 2025. You can clearly see men at work, machines at work. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company credit. This project began back in March that 1st 2024 and is expected to be completed by early 2026. As you can see so far, only a small percentage is remaining and we say this stadium is fully complete. That is the curtain walls progress as of December 2025. What about the pending progress of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya? Let me take you through, you see, and this is the pending progress of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. The color is so bright, giving the stadium a more beautiful appeal. You can see for yourself what China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company has done so far concerning the pending of this mega stadium that is going to host AFCON 2027. What are your opinions concerning the pending of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya? You can give your opinions on the comments section. What are your opinions concerning the painting of Talanta Stadium as of December 2025? You can say your opinions on the comments section. And this is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Be constructed on Jamhuri Grounds along Gong Road, near Dagoret Corner, 10 kilometers west of Nairobi CBD, Central Business District. And this stadium is being constructed by Chinese contractors, China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company, under the supervision of KDF, Kenya Defense Forces. And you can see what has been done. Let's give them credit. Let's give credit to the contractors, engineers, workers, and all stakeholders that has been involved in Talanta Stadium to bring it to this stage. If you are new here, like the video and subscribe, and let's enjoy the latest progress of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Construction progress of this stadium that is going to host AFCON 2027 with a city capacity of 60,000 spectators. And you can see the massive progress as of December 2025. That capacity is great. That capacity is enough to host AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations 2027. Stay tuned till the end of the video. You see canopy and roof installation of Talanta Stadium as of December 2025. This is in Kenya. This is in Africa. This is for Africans.